about the Oppo Find N2 Flip. It's a quick unboxing of the phone. Here's the box, and inside you'll find a couple of documentations, case, and SIM ejector tool. Apart from the phone, you'll also see the charger and Type-C charging cable. I was really blown away by its design. It has a huge 3.26-inch cover screen that supports always-on display and widget, and a folding mechanism that gives the phone flat and gapless design. When you unfold the device, it will reveal a 6.8-inch main display that features 120Hz refresh rate, up to 240Hz touch sampling rate, and HDR10 Plus support. It looks amazing. Undoubtedly, isa ito sa mga best features ng phone na to. Let's focus our attention on its performance. The Oppo Find N2 Flip is powered by a 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus. It's packed with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. It has ARM Mali G710MC10 GPU, which should be enough to let you play premium Android games and even emulation. Ang camera. Syempre, this one has a main and front sets of cameras that are enhanced by Mari Silicon X, which is based on a 6nm process and provides super efficient AI computing power up to 18 tera operations per second. In terms of imaging, the phone has Hasselblad imaging pre-installed. Now, you'll love taking selfies with this phone, especially with its cover screen. While this one has a 32-megapixel front-facing camera dito, you'll also be able to use its rear camera with the cover screen as your viewfinder. In terms of software, this is running on ColorOS 13. It gives the phone additional Android and Oppo-specific features to enhance user experience. It enables the phone's foldable features. There is also a dedicated game app that gives mobile gamers more control over performance and notifications. In terms of battery performance, this clocks a total of 14 hours and 27 minutes with 20% battery juice remaining. It's impressive, for a foldable phone with a significantly huge cover display. The phone supports 44 watts Super VOOC charging, which should be enough to fully charge the phone in a little over an hour from 0%. I seriously love this phone. It is, in fact, far better in terms of design compared to Galaxy Z Flip 4. Good, but certainly not perfect camera performance, surprisingly good for gaming, and can last longer in terms of battery life compared to its foldable counterpart in the market.